Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you. Do you know why? Because you are going to learn 4 important tips about Android phone usage. 2 of them related to safe and secure usage of Android phones, and rest of the 2 are related to how you can use Android phones in a more productive way. And if you watch this video till the end, you are going to get one more bonus tips that is related to how to take a perfect picture on your Android phone. So I hope this is going to be interesting for you and you are going to watch this video, like this video and share this video. Without further delay, let us start. Tip number 1. The hidden secrets of installing safe and secure apps from Google Play Store. Tip number 2. The best practices related to strong authentication methods for Android phones. Tip number 3. How to use and enable Google Voice Assistant for better productivity. Tip number 4. How to enable DND mode, that is do not disturb mode, and make yourself more productive. The last tip for today's video is tip number 5. How to take a perfect picture on Android phone. Now we are going to learn about how to install a safe and secure application from Google Play Store. First, you need to open the Google Play Store, search for the appropriate app what you want to install. Now you find out if that app is signed by Google Play Protect. Whatever apps are signed by Google Play Protect, those are verified and scanned by the Google authority. So they have made in-depth investigation about that apps, scanned all of the codes, and they signed it as Play Protect. So that is first thing. Second thing, what you need to look about, what is the popularity of this app? What is the rating? What is the review about this app? If the rating of this app, let's say more than 4, and it is used by millions of users, at least I would say more than 50,000 of the users, and if you reviewed all the comments related to good reviews, bad reviews about that app, that will boost your confidence about using that app. So review all these things, then you decide to install that app. Most importantly, do not install any apps from any other sources. For example, your friend shared you a link or an APK file over your phone, let's say via WhatsApp or emails, right? Please do not those kind of apps on your phone. Always install apps from Google Play Store. Our next part is all about how to use strong authentication for our Android phone. As of today, you definitely know that we should not use our phones without any password, patterns or PIN, right? Now the question will be, which one is the best, secure and efficient one to use? I will start with the PIN, that is 4-digit or 6-digit PIN what Android phones offers. These 4-digit or 6-digit pins are not very secure. You try to avoid this pin mechanism for authenticating to your phone. Instead of that, you can use the pattern method. You can go to your Android phone settings, security settings, and with the authentication methods, you will select that pattern method, enable the pattern mode and use it for your authentication. That is more safe to use compared to the PIN method. What about the password method or let's say biometric options? Definitely. The password options with a strong password, not very weak password like password 123, welcome 123, not this kind of passwords. Use strong password using capital letters, small letters, alphabets, numerics, special characters, this kind of thing. Then we are coming to the biometric options. Most of the phones nowadays supports that either fingerprint or face recognition, this kind of techniques to authenticate to your phone. I would say the fingerprint option will be good compared to face recognition. So you can use the fingerprint authentication method. I hope you find these security practices useful and you will be able to follow them. Coming to our next tips related to productively using Android phones. So the first topic we are going to discuss how to enable Google voice assistance for better usage of Android phone to make yourself more productive. You can go to settings, find out for Google voice assistance. Then you need to enable that settings. Once you have enabled that settings, it will prompt you or it will give you option to tune your phone to recognize your voice and follow your commands going forward. So in this particular video, you will see how you can do that. Our fourth tip is all about how to enable that do not disturb mode or DND mode. The first question, why should we enable that? All of you know that mobile phone is adding a lot of value to our life. In addition to that, it is also adding a lot of distraction to our life. So to get rid of that kind of distraction, we can effectively use that do not disturb mode, which will enable us to select what are the notifications we want to enable, what are the sounds we want to get from the phone, and when to make that phone, let's say, into do not disturb mode, when we can keep it in the normal mode. So for example, if you are sleeping in the night, you never expect kind of notifications to be popped up on your phone, right? So the scheduling part need to be done accordingly. Now coming to our bonus tips, it is all related to how to capture a great photo using your phone. First thing what I would like to tell about, it is about the camera frame what you see on your Android phone, that is your display screen. When we take a picture, we talk about one thing, that is the composition of the photo or composition of the frame. Before you click to take the picture, you watch it carefully. If the composition of the frame looks good to you, if you are feeling good after seeing that frame, if you are comfortable and feeling good that this looks good from composition perspective, then you click the button. I will give you an example. Let's say I'm taking picture of this showpiece. So this is the first thing what I'm doing casually, and here is the photo. Now I will try to do in a more better way. The composition perspective, I will try to make it more better. Now you see the difference. Very important tips about taking photos. Whenever you take photos, do not tilt down or tilt up your phone so that the original aspect ratio of the object you are trying to capture gets changed. Always try to keep your phone vertical to the ground so that original aspect ratio and original object is visible. Another important thing about the portrait photos, always try to keep the camera lenses near to the eye level of the object you are shooting. So I hope these tips you will find useful. Please take some of the picture and share with me. So friends, I think all these 5 tips is going to help you to use Android phones more securely, in a more productive way, in a more better way. Without further delay, let us end this video for now. Stay tuned to this channel to get more tips related to secure usage of phones, computers, internet, and you will find it useful. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.